Are you still unsure whether you should paint with oil or acrylics? You watched a ton of video, but you still don't know, you still have doubts, and you know all the differences, you know all about this, yet you are not able to decide. So maybe you have to see things from slightly different aspects. So I am here to hopefully help you with 3 questions, which if you answer, then I hope that you will be able to take a final decision. Let's dive into the first question. What is your aim with painting? Do you want to just have fun? You want to create, you want to enjoy this whole time when you are like working and creating? Or you want to take it super serious? If you want to master the craft and be serious about it, then I would say you should choose oil paint. Oil painting has so many advantages compared to acrylics, especially in the beginning when you make a lot of mistakes and you have to correct it, you have to change the painting on the go. And this is very easy to do with oil, so I would say that it is easier. In this aspect, of course, on the other hand, you have to have a little bit of research before you start painting, because you have different medium, you have rules, you have fat over lean. But what I want to say is that you will be able to get so much more improvement at the same time compared to acrylics that I would definitely lean towards the oil painting. But you know, if you just want to have fun, if you want to create, you want to just enjoy, you don't want to think about different rules, then I would definitely go for the acrylics. Please don't get me wrong, I am not saying that it's impossible to master the craft with acrylics. I am only saying that it will be much more difficult because acrylics dry much faster. Of course, you can give different medium to slower the drying, but if this is so important for you, then I would just say go for the oil. It has also other different aspects that are better than acrylics. But definitely, beautiful paintings will be produced with both, so in that sense it doesn't matter. My second question, whether you want to paint realistic or abstract. If you want to paint realistic, then I would say go for the oil, because oil blends much better than acrylics. And the blending is the one thing that will help to create this beautiful 3D volumetric effect. So of course you can do it also with acrylics, but I would argue that with oil it will be much easier and you will be much more satisfied with the results. And it will be much less frustrating. But if you want to do abstract, then I don't see anything else but the vibrant color that would argue for oil. I would say acrylic would be much better for abstract, especially if you want to use heavy load of paint or a lot of paint. With oil, this would cost a lot. And not only that it would be very pricey, but the drying time will cause an issue eventually. The first issue would be when you want to apply several layers, but you have to wait until the first layer dries, because you don't want to have a mixture of the different layers and you don't want to make your painting muddy. So you will have to wait a lot. With acrylic, this problem will not be there. The other point is that with oil, you will need to wait about 6 to 12 months until your painting touch dries, which means that you can touch it without removing or moving the paint at all. And this is a problem because you cannot sell it for 12 months or 6 months. I mean, this would be a problem to wait so much. And also you cannot take them to exhibition, or like it just has to be in your studio practically for 6 to 12 months. And with acrylics, this will not be a problem. You can practically sell them directly after you are done. This means that you can produce and practice much more in the fraction of the time and also sell much more. But if you think that oil would be better and you know something about it, then please put it on the comment. I would be actually very interested in your opinion, because I never tried abstract oil. I would like to though, but I never tried it, and I only did abstract acrylics, and that was super fun. So yeah, I would definitely go for that. My last question is, what type of art space do you have? Do you have a separate room there you could paint, or do you have to share this room with either yourself, like it's your bedroom or a living room or something else, so other people will be there, even your kids, for example? I think that this question becomes quite important, especially when you want to have oil painting. If you have a separate room and you are anyway gravitating towards oil painting, then I don't see any obstacle in front of you to start it. But if you don't have a separate space and you would like to do oil painting, then of course it is possible, but you will have to do an extensive research on non-toxic oil painting. You cannot just buy any medium, any thinner that you would like to. You will have to most probably try several different products until you find the good one for you, because even if it's non-toxic, many times the smell is not very good, so you cannot sleep in that room. You have to have a very good ventilation all the time in the room, and so on. So it's definitely not impossible. You can still do it, but you really have to put the time and effort in it. Make sure that your space is safe and that you don't do any damage to your health or other people's health. Whether you select oil or acrylics, you will be able to paint beautiful, beautiful pictures. But if you don't know what to paint yet, then I would recommend this video, which talk about what to paint when you are a beginner, or this one to get even more creative. So I hope to see you there.